Unveiling Summer Style, Sundress and Sandals explained. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a light-hearted yet informative exploration of a popular summer fashion combo, sundress and sandals. Whether you're new to English or looking to expand your vocabulary, understanding these terms will not only boost your language skills but also your fashion insights. Let's unfold the beauty of this classic summer attire together. A sundress is a casual, lightweight dress designed for warm weather. Characterized by its loose fitting, it's often made from breathable fabrics like cotton. Sundresses typically have wide shoulder straps, and they come in a variety of lengths, from short to maxi. What makes them unique is their ease of wear, making them a favorite choice for summer outings. They can be plain, patterned, or adorned with summer motifs, reflecting the vibrant energy of the season. Moving on to sandals, these are open-type shoes perfect for the summer heat. Sandals leave most of the foot exposed, providing comfort and breathability during hot days. They can vary greatly in style, from simple flip-flops to more elaborate designs with straps that secure around the ankle or even up the leg. Sandals not only offer comfort but also add a stylish flair to any summer outfit, making them an essential part of summer wardrobes. Why are sundress and sandals considered the perfect summer combo? This pairing epitomizes summer comfort and style. A sundress, with its light fabric and loose fit, complements the open, airy design of sandals, creating a look that's both stylish and suitable for the summer heat. This combination is versatile, ideal for various summer activities, from beach outings to casual strolls in the park. It's a testament to a carefree and relaxed summer vibe. We hope this exploration of the sundress and sandals combo has enlightened and inspired you. This summer duo is more than just fashion items. They are symbols of the season's joy, comfort, and ease. Whether you're learning English or expanding your cultural knowledge, understanding these terms enriches your vocabulary and brings you closer to the nuances of English-speaking cultures. Here's to a summer filled with sunshine, comfort, and style. Thank you for joining us, and see you in our next video.